When thinking of the cost to complete a construction project, your mind is immediately drawn to the obvious stuff, like materials, labour, and equipment to carry out the works. But we also know that's not the full picture. Preliminaries, business overheads, and profit all form part of the equation. In this video, we're going to delve deeper into overheads and profit, how they form part of the indirect cost of a project, what's included within them, and some common misunderstandings about them. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It really does help our channel grow. Put simply, overheads are the costs of running a business that are not directly linked to one specific measured item of work. So if a contractor is building a wall, the bricks, mortar, and labour are direct cost. But the cost of the business staff, head office, rent, IT systems, and general business insurance would usually sit within overheads. These are real costs that still need to be recovered somewhere in the price. Then there is profit. Profit is the return a contractor hopes to make after covering its cost. It is the reward for taking on the job, using its expertise, tying up resource, and accepting risk. Without profit, there is very little commercial reason for a contractor to take on work. You'll often find profit margins in construction are small, sometimes between 2 and 5%, and one erroneous commercial practice, resulting in an unapproved variation, can absorb all your margin and then some in one go. This is why having a competent QS who understands the contract, risk management, and commercial practices can protect your company from loss. If you're looking for QS support on a project, why not reach out to us on support@metroun.co.uk or go to metroun.co.uk to find out more. People often hear the phrase overheads and profit and treat it like one thing. In practice, they're often shown together as one percentage, but they're not the same. Overheads are about recovering the wider cost of running the business. Profit is about making a return on top. Not all indirect cost is overhead. However, all overhead is indirect cost. Some indirect costs are project specific and usually dealt with as preliminaries. Other indirect costs are business wide. So where do overheads and profit actually appear in pricing? Very often, they're added as a percentage on top of the cost of the works. But the percentage is not fixed across the industry. It will vary depending on the market, level of competition, the risk profile of the project, the procurement route, and the contractor strategy. This is why two contractors can look at the same job, have similar direct costs, and still return different prices. One may allow for more business recovery. Another may trim profit to secure the work. Another may increase its allowance because the scheme is high risk or resource intensive. If you found this video useful, please consider tapping the like button. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.